How to fix Roblox two-step verification code not sending. For this, first and foremost, open your Play Store and get yourself a VPN. For an example, I'm using Turbo VPN for now. So right here, I'll just go ahead and open my VPN. Now, why are you using VPN is because you will be changing your location, and for that, it will be easier for you to get the code. After you connect to your VPN and the location, go ahead and open your Roblox, and you have to log out from here and log in back in and try again. And this is the first step. So here comes the second step. Actually, go ahead and open your Google, and right here you have to go ahead and search for Roblox support. Then tap on the first suggestion shown. So right here you will see there is a contact information form. You have to go ahead and fill it out. So go ahead and mention your first name and make sure that it is linked to your Roblox, and also your email address, and confirm your email address linked to your Roblox account. Select the device you are using your Roblox in. For an example, I'm using Android, and in the issue one you have to go ahead and select technical support, and in the another you have to select specific experience issue. Then in the description box, you have to mention your issue. For an example, I'm writing here, I'm not receiving my Roblox two-step verification code, and just go and hit the send button. After this, you do have to do a verification test. So go ahead and do that. And after you are verified, your ticket or your bail will be simply be set. Now, other thing that you can try is to actually open your Gmail and check your trash and your spam, because sometimes the mail go ahead and set in your spam or either in the trash. So make sure to check it out there as well. And that sums up this video as well. Thank you so much for watching.